Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Susie, and we're doing an eyebrow tutorial today. So many of you requested this. I am jumping straight into my Essence long-lasting eye pencil in the color Lucky Lead. I usually use the color Hot Chocolate, but I did not have that at the moment. So Lucky Lead is just gonna have to do. The only difference is this one is a bit darker. As you can see, I am outlining my eyebrow shape, the top, the bottom, and the sides, but doing this very lightly since this is a darker one. Then I use the Essence Eyebrow Gel. It's kind of a pomade more than a gel, and I put that on a flat angled brush, and then I just fill in my eyebrow. You already got your basic shape you wanted. I don't have specific way I do my shape. I just follow my hairline, and as you can see, my eyebrows are really untamed at the moment. But yeah, like I said, this is really dark, but I like my eyebrows dark. You can use any color you want. If you are blonde, you can use a lighter brown, and if you are dark or black, you can use it. You can even use black, you know, it's all up to you. My eyebrow is looking a bit wonky because a few months ago I randomly got this mole on my eyebrow. It was usually just a beauty spot, meaning it was flat, and now it got like a bump. So it's kind of a struggle doing my eyebrows with that bump there. Don't worry, when all the steps are complete, it will look better. I take my finger and I just blend out the front part because I don't want that harsh, drawn-in look. And I did both my eyebrows the exact same, so I didn't even bother showing the other side. And now this little handy thing you probably saw in a few of my other videos as well. The Essence Eyebrow something something. I don't know what it's called because it's very old. But you can see there, it has stencils. If you're really an eyebrow noob, these can work perfectly for you. As you can see, they have good shape and there are a few different stencils. Now this kit comes with two colors, a dark and a light. I go in with the dark, obviously, but the light is for when you have blonde hair or you want a lighter brow, either way. So I'm taking the tip of my pencil and then I am just feathering little fine hair strokes so that it doesn't have that harsh, blocky look. It still does, but that's just because I like that effect a lot. So yeah, I'm just putting a little few mimicking hair strokes in the front. And yeah, that's basically what I do for my brows. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!